Hello everyone, welcome to my Python short video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Python built-in function input to ask the user to type in something. My name is Chenrui. Let's get started. As usual, I'm going to show you how to use this built-in function in Python shell. To use the input function in Python, you just need to type in input and a bracket. And also inside the bracket, you can type in the prompt information when you ask the user to input. For example, here I use the prompt information into something so that user knows that I want them to input something. Once I hit enter, this Python command has been executed so that I can see my prompt information there, and it tells me that to input something. So I can enter something here. Then once I'm done, we're going to show me whatever I input there is. So that's how you use input function in Python. Hopefully that makes sense. Thank you for watching and see you next time.